Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over AWS LightSail. This is another service that may show up on your exam, and I just want you to understand the use cases for it. So what happens when someone that has little to no cloud experience needs to launch a website or build an application on AWS? They also need a low cost and pre-configured cloud resource. So what do? Well, they use AWS LightSail because they don't have to configure any security environments, networking, or access. They can simply create their website or application with a few clicks. Some of these applications would include things like WordPress, the LAMP stack, and Nginx, which they have pre-built templates for you in the console. You get pre-configured virtual servers, managed databases, and networking. All of these you don't have to maintain because AWS is responsible for maintaining them. Again, because the target audience here is someone that is not technical or does not have cloud experience. If you get a question on the exam that may relate to someone not having cloud experience but still needs to deploy their application or website on a server with a database, it may ask you what is the easiest way of doing it. If that is the scenario, you can go with AWS LightSail. Again, you just need to understand this service at a high level. So if you understood this, you should be fine for the exam. I'll see you in the next video.